Hey guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day 4, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated skincare routine and the products that I use because I did this last year for Vlogmas, and it seems like a bunch of you guys liked it, and now we have a lot more people in our family. I will read you the amount that we have because last video we had 120, and then yesterday I mentioned I think we had 156, and right now we have 171 subscribers. Welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new. Give this video a big thumbs up and click that notification bell that's like right down here because you will not get notified unless you click that bell when I post a video because YouTube likes to do that. So if you would like to see my type of skincare routine I do and what I use, then keep on watching. Maybe. Okay, we're going to do face masks first because that's what you do before you clean your face. At least I do it that way so that when I go to take it off, I just hop in the shower, rinse it off, and then I go to my next step of my skincare. So the main one I use is the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment Mask. I use this. This is what it looks like. As you can tell, it's been used. I will show you the inside. I'm like almost out of it. I can get like a lot more masks out of this. But you put it on your face for like 25 minutes. It says 5 to 20 minutes. I normally do 25. I don't know why, I just always do. And it literally, if you have like one type of breakout, put this on and it literally it helps like clear them up so quick. It's very nice to use. It just be careful around and put it around your eyes with like I can't talk. Like all face masks do, because it's just going to be easier and it will hurt your eyes. And the next one I do that is like a charcoal mask is the Origins Clear Improvement. This one is so quick. If you don't got 25 minutes, use this one. This one you literally put a rag and get warm water on it, like damp it on your face to open up your pores. Apply this, wait till it dries, then rinse it off. That's it. That's all you have to do. This is also amazing for like breakouts. Another mask I use is the Tatcha Violet C Radiance Mask. I have the sample in it because I wanted to try it. But this one is really good for if my skin feels like it needs like a little pick-me-up. Just like if it feels dry or, excuse me, if it's just needs more like vitamin C like it says. It's the purple mask. This one I'm almost out of. And this one you put on for 15 minutes and then you just rinse off. Pretty simple. And then an overnight mask I usually wear is the Origins Drink Up Intensive. It's an overnight mask. It's for if you have super dry skin. So if you do, I would highly recommend this. You put this on before you go to bed. And it doesn't say you have to wash it off when you wake up, but I do because I always wash my face when I wake up. So that is a good face mask for you to wear at night if you have really dry skin. And then the next thing I do apply in the morning, well, before I get into that, I use these First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. This gets off all my like crap that's on my face from like the day or the night. I use 2 of these a day. They're just like little if you've ever heard of oxy pads, that's what they look like. They're just little pads. There's no alcohol in these, which is really good because alcohol's not good for your face. I've done research and it says that it's really bad. And all you do is you just wipe the pad across your face. I use one in the morning and one as soon as I'm done with the shower to get whatever like I couldn't get off. And then I apply the Eye Duty Triple Remedy AM Gel Cream. This is just an under eye cream. This is by First Aid Beauty as well. This you literally only put around here, but I also will put it on top of my eyelid just because those get dry, and this just helps prevent wrinkles. I mean, I know I'm only 20 and I don't really gotta worry about that, but like I like it because my under eye does get super dry, and this helps for not creasing with concealer. It does say you can put it on right before you apply concealer. I would not recommend it because if you use Tarte Shape Tape like I do, it breaks that product up so much and it literally looks like you have dots of concealer all over you that are like dry spots or dry patches, which is not good at all. I have a face cleaner that I use for in the shower, And then this is the Origins Checks and Balances. This is a frothy face wash. I literally just started using this because I had like a little bit of breakout that I had last year. If you were from here from last year, I had that breakout too, and it drove me insane. I couldn't figure it out. I was using all this is when I really got into skincare because I had a really bad breakout. And this literally cleared it up so quick because it basically like dries up that area and it goes deeper in than like my First Aid Beauty just face wash, because that is a like clean, gentle face wash. This one's more of like a hard, I don't want to say like hardcore, but like kind of is like that. And this works so good. It has a like minty smell to it, which is I think is pretty cool. So I use that. And then to take off my makeup, I use the Tatcha Pure One Step Camilla, I hope I'm saying that right, cleansing oil. I got the big bottle in it finally. I used to have the little ones that came in like the little sample boxes you got of them. I use this to take off my makeup because Nicole Guerrero said she uses a cleansing oil to do it, and she used this one. So I tried it out and it gets literally my makeup off so well. What you do is you have your dry hands, you pump, I pump 5 pumps on here. It says 1 to 2, I do 5 because I put a full face on. And then you literally just rub it all over your face, it melts it, and then you rinse it off. And then I go to actually wash my face afterwards, but this really helps get it all off, other than, it helps more than like a Neutrogena makeup wipe, let's put it that way. And then when I am in the shower, I use a Clarisonic. I just got one of these last year. This is the Mia one. I love it. I also use the the sensitive head because I have very sensitive skin. So all of these products work for me for my sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, that might work for you as well. But I use this. I apply Checks and Balances right to there after I've wet this down a little bit and my face is wet. Put it on here, turn it on, and I go 20 seconds in each area. So 20 seconds on the cheek, this one, 20 seconds, 20 seconds, and then when I'm done with that, it just go all over until it stops. It will stop on its own. I think it does it like 2 minutes or 1 minute and 30 seconds. I have honestly no freaking clue. So, sorry, my phone keeps going off. So when I'm done with the shower, I'll do the Radiance Pad, and then after a little bit of that, I will come back and use the Glam Glow Water Burst Hydrated Glow Moisturizer. This is the best moisturizer I have found that works for me. It works really well when my face is super dry. Like, it's still on from this morning, and it's water-based, which is nice because if you can see it in there, it is like a water-based hydration, so it's not like silicone-y, doesn't feel weird, and your skin literally absorbs this so good. I use this morning and night as well. And then I don't know about you, but I have eczema and it gets really bad in the wintertime. And I have found 2 things that work on it so well. The first thing that works is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. I got the big bottle of this, and as you can tell, she's been used. And I apply this on the areas that are like, that don't irritate me as much. Like, I get it on like my elbow, so I'll put that on there, like on my legs, or like by like my arms up here. This works really well for that, but I also get eczema behind my knees. And that is so hard to get rid of because of wearing leggings every day and just sweating. But what I found works is the Tatcha, the Indigo Cream. And this is actually, they said, recommended for eczema. And this works so good. I'm on my second one, and I'm almost done with my second one. I'm gonna have to get it soon. And this literally is the only thing that works on my eczema. I don't know what it is. It is literally the only thing that works on it. And what I do is I take this little scooper that it comes with. I scoop like a dime size, a little bit more of that, and then I rub it on my hand. I like take it off with my hands and I put it on the back of my knees, and it clears it up instantly. It doesn't really clear it up because it keeps coming back, like I say, but like it makes it to where it's not itching and it doesn't flare it up. So that is so nice. So that is my updated skincare routine. If you have any other questions on like types of products, I've tried a bunch of skincare, but these are the ones that work for me. So if you have any questions, put it down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys use, because I'm always up for trying new things. And if one of these products didn't work, let me know like what happened. I would love to just chat with you guys in the comment section below. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 5.